Good morning, boys and girls. I am thrilled to be with you on this Monday to talk about Children's Mental Health Awareness Week, which is May 1st through 7th in Maryland. And as you know, here at Ballinger Creek, we talk about comprehensive student development. Your brain and your academic growth is very important to us. How healthy your bodies are and your health is important. But our mental health and our awareness and social emotional regulation is just as important as the other two. So this week we are going to be talking more to you about that and strategies to help support your growth. So this means that we do things to make ourselves and others feel better when we're feeling scared, angry, sad, embarrassed, or stressed. We need to take care of ourselves. And so each week on the morning announcements, you will hear from a very wonderful member of our staff on ways we can use coping or self-care strategies. So today, I'm going to talk to you a little bit about what is mental health. Mental health has to do with the way you think, feel, and act. Mental health includes how well you take care of yourself and your problems. Mental health is something that everyone has, and it's just as important to check in on how we feel and our mental health as in our body health and how our physical health. So, the 2 tips I have for you today. Today's self-care tip is exercising. Going for a walk outside or doing a quick stretch, even if it's in your chair, or dancing can help keep your bodies and your mind healthy. When faced with mental health or emotional challenges in life, exercise is always a good coping strategy. Try to take at least 10 minutes a day to do some sort of physical activity and work up a sweat. Your mind and your body will thank you. And this is a strategy I use often this time of year at Ballinger Creek. We are very busy. We have lots of fun special events going on, and we have lots of meetings and supports and planning for next year happening. Sometimes it can be a stressful time for me as the principal at Ballinger Creek. And so I find that if I get up early in the mornings and exercise to prepare for my busy day, or in the evenings as I wind down from my busy day, it helps tremendously as a self-care strategy for my mental health. I hope you'll try it. The second strategy I want to share with you is a coping skill. So this coping skill is about talking to a trusted friend. Sometimes you just need to be heard. Having a friend that listens without judgment can really help how you're feeling worried, overwhelmed, or sad. Friends are like life jackets. Sometimes you really just need them, and it's good knowing they're there. So, boys and girls, I hope that on both ends, you have trusted adults in your life, both here at school and at home, and trusted friends that anytime you're feeling as if you need to talk through something, you can, and that's helpful. I know I'm so lucky that I have a trusted friend in Mr. Fletcher. We're partners in leading this school, and when we have challenging, stressful situations arise, we can sit and talk with each other and share without judgment and make each other feel better and feel heard. I hope you'll be a good friend to anyone who needs to talk, and I hope you'll find a good friend or trusted adult if you need to be heard as a coping skill. Boys and girls, let's have a wonderful week here at Ballinger Creek. Happy Monday.